Welcome to our troubleshooting guide on how to fix a Honeywell thermostat screen not responding. Honeywell thermostats are known for their reliability, but sometimes the screen can become unresponsive, making it hard to manage your home's heating and cooling settings. This can be frustrating, especially when you need to make quick adjustments to your environment. Fortunately, there are steps you can take to resolve the issue easily. In this guide, we'll walk you through practical solutions to get your thermostat screen working properly again. Step 1. Check the power supply. Before diving into more complex solutions, let's start with the basics. A common reason for a Honeywell thermostat screen not responding is a lack of power. Check to see if the thermostat is receiving power. Locate your circuit breaker and ensure it hasn't been tripped. If it has, reset it and see if the issue resolves. Also, for battery-powered models, replace the batteries with fresh ones to rule out this simple fix. Step 2. Perform a soft reset. If the power supply isn't the issue, try performing a soft reset on your thermostat. This can often resolve minor glitches without changing any of your settings. To do this, remove the thermostat from its wall mount, wait for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then reattach it. In many cases, this can reboot the system, restoring responsiveness to the screen. Step 3. Inspect electrical connections. After attempting a soft reset, it's worthwhile to inspect the wiring connection. Turn off the power to prevent any electrical hazards. Gently remove the thermostat from the wall plate and check if the wires are securely connected. Ensure that there is no damage or corrosion on the wires, as this could interrupt performance. Reattach the thermostat carefully and power it on to see if this resolves the issue. Step 4. Update or reinstall software. For Wi-Fi-enabled Honeywell thermostats, outdated or corrupted firmware can lead to screen issues. Check if there are any software updates available. Consult your user manual or the Honeywell website for instructions specific to your model. If an update is available, install it to potentially restore functionality. Sometimes performing a full reset by following your model's specific reset procedure might be necessary. Remember to back up any settings, if possible, before proceeding with a full reset. Step 5. Contact Honeywell support. If the above steps don't resolve the problem, it might be time to contact Honeywell support for further guidance. They can provide more specific troubleshooting based on your thermostat model and the symptoms it's exhibiting. In some cases, they might need to send a replacement unit if it's determined to be a hardware defect. While a Honeywell thermostat screen not responding can be a nuisance, following these steps can help you diagnose and resolve the issue efficiently. From checking power supplies and connections to performing resets and updates, each step plays a critical role in restoring your thermostat's functionality. Remember, safety should always come first. If you're unsure at any point, seeking professional help from Honeywell or a certified technician is a wise choice. Keeping your thermostat in good working order ensures your home stays comfortable year-round. Thank you for choosing our guide, and we hope these solutions help you regain control over your home environment with ease. Enjoy optimal comfort and efficiency once more.